Good morning, students. Let us today we'll do the projection of lines. This is the question. Wait, let me share the screen. Okay. Now I think its screen is visible. Good morning. Let us start projection of lines. This is the solid edge page. This is the question. The front view of a line 90 mm long is inclined at 45 degree to the XY line. A dash B dash being 65 mm long, A dash is 15 mm above the XY line. The point A is in VP. Draw the projections of the line and find its inclinations with HP and VP. Is the question. So to begin with, go to line command. Select the type of the line as continuous. 0.13 because we have to draw the thin line 0.13 mm. Then draw one horizontal line like this. Then go to text command, name it as X, this is Y, VP is above the XY line because first quadrant. Now fix the first one end point, point A. A dash is 15 mm above the XY line. Direct it is given 15 mm above the XY line. So draw one line 15 mm at an angle of 90 degree. Enter 90 degree, enter. So 15 mm above the XY line. The point A is in VP. Point A is in VP means when you project it, this point appears on HP. Whatever appears on HP is front view. So this is the front view. On XY line, at the bottom of this line, we will get the top view of the point A. Let us name this point. This is A dash, and this is A. This is the dimension, 15 mm. Okay. Now read the data. What is given? The front view is 65 mm long and it is inclined at 45 degree to the XY line. So first let us draw the front view. Front view means it should always be a dark line. Top view, front view should always be a dark line. So I select 1 mm as the line width, 1 mm. Then start from the scroll on this line. You get the endpoint symbol. You can see the endpoint symbol adjacent to the cursor. Moment you get the endpoint symbol, left click, you selected that endpoint of that line. Now you have to draw a line of length 65 mm at an angle of 45 degree. That's the front view. So enter here in the length, it's asking in the length, no? There you enter 65 mm and angle should be 45 degree. Enter. So we got one line at an angle of uh, at a length of 65 and an angle of 45 degree. To show the angle, we'll draw an horizontal line. Draw an horizontal line from A dash. Then go to this command. Distance between is there. Adjacent to that, there's a triangle. Click on that. You will get many options. You go to the angle between command. Select the angle between. Then read here. Click on the dimension origin element. Our degree angle should be measured from this line to this line. So click on the two lines, this line and this line. You'll get the angle. Now this is the front view, A dash, and let us name this point as B dash. Front view is always alphabet with a dash. Next, through B dash, let us draw one locus line. Let us draw one locus line from here to here and take this as locus of B dash. Locus of B dash. The chain line is called locus of B dash. Now, what is given? The front view of a line 90 mm long. 90 mm long is the true length of the line. So, take this command. Click here. Click here. This third command in the first column, second, third command is tangent arc is there. Now, adjacent to that, there is a triangle. Click on that triangle. Then go to arc by center point. Arc by center point. Then read here. Click for the center point. With A dash as the center, then type the radius. Radius should be the true length, that is 90 mm. Type radius as 90, enter. Don't type the angle here. Sweep, it's asking you the sweep angle. Don't type the sweep angle. You can sweep manually. This is the starting point. This is the end point. Okay. Then go to this command. This is called trim command. This is like a eraser. Select this command and click on this line. It will trim up to the locus point. Then again go to line command, change the line type from chain line to the continuous line. It should be medium dark. True length should be medium dark. So 0.5 mm. Then from A dash to here, draw one medium dark line. That is the true length. Then A dash, then B1 dash. This is B1 dash because this is the true length. True length is represented by B1 dash. Okay. Then select it. This is the true length 90. Then what else given? Okay. Only this much is given, right? With this is the data given. Now we have got the front view and this is the true length in front view. With the help of this, we will get the top view and true length in top view. For that, go to 0.13 mm line, continuous line, then B dash, draw the vertical from B dash. This is B dash is called the end projector. This is the end projector. This is the end projector. Now, to get the upper end length, to get the top view that is below the XY line, you have to get the top view. To get the top view, what you have to do? A dash B1 dash is the 90 mm length. This is the true length. When the true length is given, what you have to find, what you have to do to get the upper end length, we have to project and rotate. Project and rotate. This is a technique we have to use to get the upper end length. To get the upper end length. So go to line command, project and rotate from here to horizontal from A. Horizontal from A will be on the XY line itself. So stop at the XY line, then rotate. Go to arc by center point with A as center. This as radius AB2 as radius. Draw an arc like this. Then let us name it as B2. This point as B2. Then go to trim command. Select this trim command. Trim this extra line. Then draw a chain line through this point. This line is called locus of B. Above the XY line is B dash. Below the XY line it is B, locus of B. Now use this command. This is a command, leader line command. Can you see here? Second column, this leader. Click on this. Show the direction of movement. We are moving from top to bottom. So then go to line command. Take 1 mm darkness and continuous line. Before drawing the line, you have to decide what type of line and what is the width of the line. After then only you have to draw the line. So this is the A and this is the B. This is B. Means top. This is the top view. This is the top view. What is the upper end length? Let us find out the upper end length here by using smart dimension command. 77.38. Okay, now you will get the true length here. To get the true length, there is one more option. That is, to get the true length, what you can do, use this option, rotate and project to get the true length. This is opposite. This is vice versa to the rotate and project to get the true length. So what I do is go to arc center point. Line width is 0.13. A dash as center. This is the apparent length in front view. So that is front view. Okay. A dash, B dash as radius. Draw one arc so that it meets the horizontal from A dash. So here, this line I will extend like this. There is a command adjacent to the trim command. Click on the triangle. There is a command called extend to next. Click on that. You can read here. Click on the element to extend. I want this line to extend. See how it is extending. Extend, extend, again extend. So it will extend up to there. Let us call this point as B dash. Let us call this point as B2 dash. B2 dash. Rotate and project now. So go to line command, 0.13 is the width from here to here. Project vertically down. It meets the locus line. Draw some extra line and then trim up so that it should stop at the locus line. It should stop at the locus of B. Then again go to line command. Take the line width as 0.5 mm. A as the starting point. This is the end point. This is the true length. True length. So name it as B1. B1. But what is the true length? 90 mm. Already given in the data. Here we did not take 90 mm, but we have used the principle of rotate and project. There is a spelling mistake here. Rotate and to get the true length, rotate and project. Rotate and project to get the true length. Now what I did is, so I'll take the leader line, show the direction of movement. I rotate from A dash to B dash to the horizontal. So it meets horizontal from A dash at B2 dash. From B2 dash, draw one vertical line downward. It touches the locus line. Name that point as B1 and join A B1. This is the true length. Let us check how much is the true length we got by rotate and project. It must be equal to 90 mm. If you are not getting 90 mm, what we are doing is that. Let us check now. Go to smart dimension. Click on this line. Say 90. By default, it is coming 90. This is how we can complete the projection of the line. Now go to angle between command, measure all the angles. We want to measure the angle between this and this, 31 degree. We want to measure the angle between this and this. Go to angle between, click on this line and this line. This is a 54 degree, and angle between this line and the XY line is, angle between this and this is 54 degree. Like this, you have to find out the apparent length and apparent angle also. This is the end of the